Hi, welcome back into the Schematic channel. In this video, we see how we can download and install the EasyEDA as an offline version in our PC. So in 2026, that is the first video on this software. So let's start this video. So you need to come on the Chrome and search with EasyEDA and click on the first link. Then that web page is open. Make sure you accept all the cookies here. And now this used for project management, system integration and efficient, but also have the schematic capture option, so you can make the schematic. Now after that you also have the PCB design, so definitely it's famous for PCB design. And for the 3D preview, so which PCB you design, you also have a 3D preview for it. So it's have the online and offline both version, but in this video we see how we can install it in our local PC. So go into the pricing, and here you see there are the two thing, free and premium. So if we talk about the free, then you have an individual and enterprises free account, and also have a premium which is the 99.9 per month. But don't worry, we just be see the free. Here you see the commercial use, unlimited number of projects, unlimited editor features, unlimited, and you have the desktop client editors unlimited. You have also the storage related services which you can use, and some are not, like the sports are not given into the free. But don't worry, we just want to be use it. So with the free version you can use it for unlimited things you can make here. So if you click on try now button, so there are the two options, pro edition free and STT edition. I open the both one, pro edition and STT edition. So pro edition, I prefer the pro edition right now. So this is the STT edition online, this is the opened. Okay, this is the cloud version, so you need an internet. This is the pro version. So okay, you need this, so the internet for using that online version. Otherwise we definitely move toward the offline software which we installed in our PC. So you need to be scroll down to the bottom and click on this download button, and here is the option for the direct link. Like paste that direct link into the description, then you can directly access that page instead of you go into the multiple pages and access it. So here is the EasyEDA Pro edition and also the STD edition, like standard edition. So I go with the Pro edition. I already tell you. So I choose the Windows 10 and above 64-bit. So simply click on it. You also have a Linux and Mac and other downloads operating systems for other operating systems. So you just be click related to your operating system, and into the Chrome they ask for you need to be again say okay downloaded it. Otherwise they say okay that file is not registered or verified. So we just wait here until our file is downloaded, and then we move toward the installation. So like activating your EasyEDA software, you need the account first, and then creating account, and then you need to be take the free license and attach it, and that way you use it EasyEDA for free in your own PC for unlimited projects you make on it. The file is downloaded, so right click on it and run as administrator here. Click on yes. So you need to wait here until the installer is opened. Click on the yes, we want to install it, and click on install for all user, which is recommended. Now the installer is open. Click on next here, accept the agreement, click on next. Okay, don't be change anything. If you want you can change next, and tick mark on it. I want desktop shortcut, next, and then our installation is started. So it's take just roughly 1 to 2 minutes, and then our EasyEDA in our PC they installed, and we use it in our PC as a software. Now as I click on the finish, then it's launch automatically. So we just be wait. Now you see no active is mentioned here because it's not linked with our account. So now they ask for the activation file, so you can click on download the activation file for free. Then that web page is open in your Chrome or any kind of browser which is default. So they ask you to create account first of all. If you don't have the account, definitely you don't have, if you first time downloading, then you have option with sign in with Google. But I click on the create with the email. I choose the personal, then write in my username, and after that I put my email, password, and then country. I paste my email, I paste the password, I choose my country, I fill the captcha, and then I click on I agree, and then click on sign up. So now they send me the verification code. That is the verification code I received from the EasyEDA. I just copy, paste it here, and click on submit. Now he say me the username has already been taken, so I just will go back, change the username, again fill the captcha, and click on sign up again. So my previous code is expired, definitely. So he sent me a new code, so I again go and copy. So that's the new code. I just copy and paste here and click on submit. Now I registered successfully. I just be captcha and try to be login. So as you login in your account, so they ask you for some questions like that's my personal account, okay, for my personal. Otherwise you also choose a learning and teaching, it's okay. They ask you for writing your first name. I write down my first name here, then click on next. Here I choose the EasyEDA, like for which thing I use it. So I choose the third option, build some projects, layouts, and also PCB. And then I choose its intermediate if you want, or otherwise you also choose advanced. Okay, I choose advanced here and then click on next. The third one is optional, so don't put anything. So you are reached on this page. So here he show you can access it online also, but we want to be offline. We definitely install it, and we are at the stage of activation, so we just be skip that portion. So we click on skip, and now we are properly logged in our account. We again go into the program. So click on the download activation file for free button, click on it, and again that open the web page. So this time we are login, that's where they give us the download the activation file. Okay, so that's the account which I are right now created. So just click on download the activation file and click on this continue button, okay, because we are moving toward the third party redirect reminder. So just click on continue. So this is the file. You need to be copied, or otherwise you use the print option to be save it. So I just copy it, go into and paste it here and click on activate. So now they are activated. Okay, you see this activated with my name, with customer code, with the email. And after the few seconds our software is completely installed and activated. So this is the EasyEDA Pro version, Pro licensed version for free for the lifetime. You can use it. So here I show you how we can create a new project. So click on this new project button here. You can write any kind of name. I say the first demo, and then click on save. So from here you can change the project part. I don't be change it, then I just be click on this save. So he say me okay, open in the new window. I say, or you can save your previous project. So I say open in a new window. Now so you see this is the our interface when first time our project is created. On the left bar you see there is the first demo name, and we have the board one, we have the schematic one, and this is the first canvas page. So p1.p1. So simply click on it, double click on it. Now this is the canvas open for schematic and also for PCB. So PCB1, so double click on the PCB1. So this is the canvas for PCB. So into the schematic you have the option for floating tools. So you can use the 5 volt selected, paste it here. You also have the ground, so paste the ground here. If you want to be choose any kind of component like the resistor, which are resistor, capacitor, inductor, diode, so you can directly choose from here. I choose the wait second resistor. If anything is selected, like I selected the ground again, now it's selected, so you can click on the escape button. then it's unselected. Okay, this is the option for the component selection library. So it's opened. So in that way you can select the component from the different filters. If you want any kind of motor driver IC, so you just click on it, stepper motor driver IC. So just this stepper motor driver ICs are opened. So according to your demand, you can just be click on, if I want this one, so just click on this place button and wait for a few seconds. Now this is the selected and I pasted. After that I click on escape button. So how you can do the wiring? Simply just click on it, and after that just select it on the one terminal to the other terminal, reach it, and I give here, and after that we connect the ground with the ground of this IC. Okay, so we don't have a ground, so we just select the ground here. After selecting ground, we again select the wiring tool, and from one terminal to the other terminal we connect the ground with the ground. Okay, so if we want to be deleted, just select it and click on delete button from the keyboard, so it's deleted. So in that way you can make the whole schematic. So because this video topic is not how you can create a schematic and PCB on a EasyEDA. That's video topic is how you can download and install the EasyEDA software in your own PC for lifetime. So I hope so you understand how you can do it. Please share this video with your friend. I see you the next time. Please subscribe this channel and like this video.